Maybe you recognize this. You pick up a hand puppet in your group or practice setting, and before you even get a chance to let it speak, a child says, "That puppet is fake." That can take the fun right out of it, especially when you are just starting out. In this video, I want to explain what's actually going on in that moment and why you don't need to let it discourage you. I'm Helen Meurs and I'm a puppetologist. I train professionals who want to use the power of the puppet to invite children into development, playfully and with low thresholds. This is Burcu, a girl I once had in my group. Every time I brought out my puppet, she'd say, "That's fake!" And then she'd look at me, waiting for a response. I answered her every time. Still, she kept asking for months. You might think she's rejecting the puppet, she don't like it. But that was not what was happening. Most puppets are used with children aged 3 to 6, and that's exactly the age when magical thinking is central. For them, fantasy and reality still blend together. They know it's you, but they also want to believe it's real. Sometimes the play or the puppet becomes so real that a child doesn't quite know what to believe. That puppet is fake isn't rejection. It's a way to gain control, to define the boundary between real and not real for themselves. What the child is really saying is, "I am seeing this clearly, right? It's just a puppet." So what can you do in that moment? Simply confirm what they already know. You don't have to defend anything. You don't have to make it more believable. Just say, "Yes, you're right. It's a puppet." That doesn't break the magic. It gives the child clarity. Burcu needed that too. She asked me again and again to confirm that Adriaan wasn't real. And I would say, "Yes, that's true. Do you want him to go away?" But she didn't. She liked him. She just wanted to be sure he was fake. So don't see that comment as the end of the story. In many cases, it is exactly what allows you to move forward. In this video, I focused on young children, those up to about 6 years old. They are right in the middle of magical thinking. But what about older children? Can a puppet still play a role there? I'll tell you more about that in the next video.